So guys, for the first method, you want to find the file or the folder that you want to extract with WinRAR. You want to right click on it, and then click on WinRAR, and then click on Extract Files. And now once this comes up, you want to select Keep Broken Files. You want to tick this box, and then click on OK. It's now going to be extracted. You can open it up, see if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to download and use 7-zip instead. There's going to be a link to it down below in the description. And now once we're here, if you're using 64-bit Windows, you want to click on download right here. If you're using 32-bit, you can download this one right here. Most of you guys are going to be on 64-bit, so I'm going to download 64-bit. Once that's been downloaded, you want to click on it, and then click on yes, and then click on install, and then close. You want to find your file or your folder, right click on it, and then click on show more options, and then find 7-zip, and you can now extract it. You can choose your location, and then click on OK, and it should now be here. Hopefully this will now fix your problem.